Good morning, everyone. Today we are talking about formula electrostatic and electrodynamic. Are you ready? Let's go!
Electrostatic. The flux between the charges F at K Q1 Q2 by R modulate 2 F at the voltage between the charges R at distance K at 9 cos 10 mobility 9 Q at change the electric fluid E at F by P at KQ by R mobility 2 at delta V by D. Delta V at the potential difference between the plates. D at distance between the parallel plates. K at 9 cos 10 mobility 9. The total take and V at V1 and V2 and Vt and infinity. The electrical energy W at Q V W at electrical work Q at change V at the voltage V at I R V at the voltage electrodynamic I at current the amount of current resistance I at Q T at V and I at electric current Q quantity of electric charge T at time V at speed of E independent A at cross sectional area of wire conductor A cross sectional area of line conduction N number of volume of the conductor E chance of E mute 1 at 1.6 cos 10 mobilis minus 90 coulomb. The region resistance R H P L by A R H electrical resistance P H resistivity L length A cross a sectional area. The electromotive flux E at T by R and R E. The electric mobility R resistance asteroid R the internet resistance
Thank you very much. See you again next week. Bye bye.